Hi folks, today we are going to talk about the evolution of artificial intelligence. Let's race through history. How did we go from calculator to the AI that runs our world? It started in 50s with logic. We gave computers strict rules, great for chess but terrible at real life. The first AI winter, but computers were too weak. Promises failed, funding vanished. Rise of machine learning. The 90s changed everything. Instead of writing rules, we fed computers data. After the rise of machine learning, we see deep learning breakthrough. Then came neural network. Computers mimic the human brain, finally learning to see images and hear voices. Well, deep learning has helped a human to develop large language model. Suddenly, AI became invisible. It's your Netflix recommendations, your Face ID, and your Google Maps. Today, we have foundation models, super brains trained on the whole internet to understand almost anything. We have moved from analyzing data to creating it. Welcome to the era of generative AI. See you in episode 2. Thank you.